Do you have a company listing on sites such as Google Plus Local, Yahoo Local, and Bing Local? If so, are your listings incomplete, unverified, and unclaimed? Do they contain inaccurate information about your company? Are they showing up low in the search results, if they even show up at all? Do they contain negative reviews from unhappy customers? If you answered yes to any of these questions, your local listings could be impacting your ability to bring in more sales. When was the last time you cracked open a Yellow Pages book to find a local business, such as a restaurant, dentist, plumber, or lawyer? Probably a long time ago. Local listing sites are the new Yellow Pages. When in need of a local product or service, consumers today go straight to the internet. But what they find when they get there will determine which companies they will do business with and which ones they will avoid. Are you finally ready to take control of your local online presence? Contact us today for a free, no-obligation consultation.